Excuse me, are you alright?
Fine, thanks. Just a bit tipsy.
We've all been there, my dear. Do you live too far?
I was going to get a taxi, but, you know.
I could walk you home if you want.
You do that?
Yeah, of course. Anything for a lady.
You're very kind.
Oh, you have to be in an age like this, my dear.
Such a charmer. What's your name?
Sam.
Stacey.
Sound like a party back there. What was the occasion?
Does there need to be one?
Well, normally there has to be. I mean, a birthday, a marriage, or even death.
I'm guessing you don't usually go to many parties.
Well, on the contrary, if there's something to celebrate, I'll go.
I know your type. Walking around the party nursing their extra fruity cocktail.
What are you insinuating, my dear? There's nothing wrong with a good cocktail.
Relax, I'm just fucking with you. I love a good sex on the beach.
Wow.
You know, sometimes you just need to get properly messed up and pass out on an off-licence floor.
Wow, I'd like to attend a Stacey shindig.
I can take it from here, but thank you for protecting me, Sir Knight. I should probably repay you somehow, but it has to be a surprise. Close your eyes. Now open them. My name's not even Stacey, you moron.
You just gave away your biggest advantage.
Now, isn't this interesting?
Looks like we're at a stalemate. How many you killed?
5. You've been my 6th.
4. But I'm very particular with my tastes.
So, want to call it a draw?
Yes.
So, what now?
How about a game?
Go on.
Well, let's spice things up a bit. After all, the hunt is the best part, wouldn't you agree?
Now, isn't this interesting?
Meet me here tomorrow at midnight.